So last week we talked about three different hip actions in ChaCha: the twist, the pendulum, and the Cuban motion. So last week we focused more on the hip twist or rotation. So today we're going to talk a bit more on pendulum. So we're gonna start with a very simple exercise. So basically bring your weight from one foot to another. You can use, you can shift your weight to flat foot each time, or you can use something like a rock. I guess that would be actually better. So you're gonna keep your left foot flat, and you're gonna keep your right foot on the ball of the foot, and you just simply shift your spine, like in split weight position, and then over the foot completely. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then we switch foot, land the right heel, and keep left foot on the ball of the foot. And 2, and 3, and 4. 1. So what's important here, it's to feel that pendulum action we created through the movement, through shift of the weight. So it's not like artificial, it's not like we pull in the hip or we squeeze it out. It's how to say, reaction. No, it's a cause of movement. Yeah, 1. Yeah, so pendulum can be in different ways and shapes. It can be like when we take a side step like this. It can be when we take a forward step. It's going to be pretty much the same. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Only difference here is that when we go forward and back, your hips, they're not frontal, they're not parallel towards the camera, they're going to be diagonal like this. And that pendulum going to stay within this dimension. Yeah, sometimes we can overturn the hip. In this case, it's gonna be straightforward, but that's if we use kind of swivel action. Where else we can have pendulum? It can be some check-in action. Well, check-in action is actually interesting because there we have not only pendulum, but rotation happens at the same time, because you switch your knees. Yeah, so it's not the same like we did with rotation only. So we do switch the hip, but at the same time we bring it back. 2, 1, 2, 1. So right now we have more weight on the right foot, so right hip going to be higher. Now when we switch, we have more weight on the left foot, so left hip going to be higher. Now, because your right knee straight, your right hip gonna go back, and here because your left knee getting straight, your left hip going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's when pendulum and rotation happens at the same time. Now for walks, we have very clear separation. We have pendulum first and then rotation. So that's 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and overturn. 1, 2, no turn here. Just go like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and cha-cha. 1, and 2, and 3, and cha-cha. 1, and 2, and 3, and cha-cha. And 1, and 2, and 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Then 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, and cha, cha, 1, settle, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1. ChaCha 1. So we're gonna start with the previous, with the Cuban breaks. 2 and 3 and cha cha 1 side chasse, 2 3 whisk chasse, cha cha 1 points, and 3 cha cha 1 2 3 whisk chasse again, cha cha 1 turning, spot turn, 2 3 back lock, cha cha 1 syncopated checks, 2 and 3 and cha cha 1 2 3. We're gonna end up here. Okay, and a little bit faster. So we're gonna do Cuban breaks. 1 2 and 3 and cha cha 1 2 3 cha cha 1 2 and 3 cha cha 1 2 and 3 cha cha 1 2 3 cha cha 1 2 and 3 and cha cha 1 2 3 1 2 3
Cora one, melon, 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 melon.
1 2 and 3
Cora
1 2 3
Cora
one
melon, melon,
1 2 and 3 cha cha 1 2 3
Cora
1 and 3 cha cha 1 3 cha cha 1
is the one
cha cha 1